Hello guys, this is my fourth video. Let us discuss today about thumb and what it says about person's nature. First, flexible thumb. How to identify the flexible thumb is bend the thumb backside holding at nail portion. The bend should be at first phalange or part of the thumb. See in the picture. This flexible thumb denotes flexible mind. They are adjustable to any situations. They are not firm. They will not stand on one word. They will change themselves as per the situation. They spend money more. They settle down to new work or job easily and quickly. They have adjustable mind. The ratio of the flexibility denotes the percentage of the nature. Next is rigid or stiff thumb. How to identify the rigid thumb is bend the thumb backside holding at nail portion. The thumb will not bend. It is strong as stone. Such people are firm in their decisions. They stand on their words. They are not adjustable to new areas or environment easily. They take some time to adjust. They are stubborn in nature. They are more cautious and secretive. They take steps slowly and advance in their life. They have good self control, spend money wisely, they have strength by their own. We can believe their words. Now, next is waist or hourglass shaped thumb. How to identify this type of thumb is see from backside, that is nail side. The second phalange is like waist shape or hourglass shape. Top width more, bottom width less. Such people have good mental power. They lead life with mind. They think before acting. Next is thick or coarse shaped thumb. How to identify this type of thumb is see from backside, that is nail side. The thumb appears thick and strong, equal thickness from top to bottom. Such people lead life with force. They act without much thinking. Before act and think. They have strong force. Now next is short thumb. If the length of the thumb is small, such people cannot have controlling power to others. They follow others. They cannot manage people by their own. Now long thumb. If the length of the thumb is long, they have power to control others. They influence other people easily. They become leaders. They go on high level in their career. Now next, small or narrow angle thumb. How to identify this type is hold the palm flat and stretch the thumb and see the angle between forefinger and thumb. If the angle is smaller than 90 degrees, those people are narrow minded, religious, they limit themselves in all the activities, they are emotional in nature. The next is the large or broad angle thumb, wide angle thumb also you can call. How to identify this type of thumb is hold the palm upside flat and stretch the thumb and see the angle between the forefinger and thumb. If the angle is larger than 90 degrees, this is called large angle thumb. Such people are very broad minded, spend more, think more out of the box, logical minded, they stretch their thoughts unlimitedly. The high setup thumb. How to identify this type of thumb is measure the distance from lower line of forefinger to thumb lower line corner of the distance. If the distance is small, then the thumb weight higher setup. Those people are very emotional nature. Emotions rule in their life. They believe blindly all beliefs. Next, the low setup thumb. How to identify this type of thumb is measure the distance from lower line of forefinger to thumb lower line corner. If the distance is more, then the thumb is lower setup thumb. They believe with logic, emotion control. They don't believe blindly without proper logic. Now we shall go for face reading. First is how to find high self-esteem. The measure the distance between the bottom tip of the nose and tip line of the red portion of the lip. If it is more length, then they have high self-esteem. They will not follow others. They create their own path. They want high respect. They are reserved nature. They love the leadership nature. Next is low self-esteem. How to identify this low self-esteem is measure the distance between the bottom tip of the nose and top line of the red portion of the lip. If it is less, then they have low self-esteem. They follow others. They have imitative skills. Many cinema actors have this type of nature. Many people like them. If people praises them, they like it very much. Next is modesty. How to find the modesty is observe the white portion of above the red lip below the nostrils. If you find a groove means small hole round like, they have modesty nature. They are sensitive, neatness, decency, purity of thought, love of personal cleanliness, neat clothes, etc. If that groove is not present, they are bold, arrogant, self-confidence, indecency, rough language, not clear, not clean. Okay, friends, how is today's information? If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have doubts, ping me personally to my Telegram channel, link shown in the picture. Thank you for watching. Next video I will come with few more tips and information. Thank you one and all.